Everyone should be able to see my MarkMagic Visual Designer. This is Cybra's graphical designer tool. I've got it already connected up to our MarkMagic application. I'll be jumping back to that in a moment to do a test print. But just to show, I've got one of VAI's formats already open in the MarkMagic tool here. Many of you are probably used to using this for editing the forms and creating them and tweaking them, adding your graphics and logos and making the forms look exactly how you want. There's a bit of extra spice on this one. I can even do a print preview from one of the VAI spool files that they've graciously provided us. I could do a preview on our MarkMagic tool. So we're looking at live data here. Some may see some pretty neat things happening here in the MarkMagic tool. If I do go to the next page on this 2-page pack list, we've got totals popping up. Things are showing up down here. We've got ship labels showing up. We've got a whole bunch of extra information at the bottom. So if we go back to the first page, you can see there's a difference between the two. And that's using, we mentioned PrintTransformer in the beginning to be able to handle document output. There's a whole other half of PrintTransformer to tweak the way the forms look based on tests. And just to show a quick example of why this is happening, we're testing the totals. And if there's no totals, for example, on one page, you can see the look and feel of the form changes from page to page. So up here in MarkMagic, when you have the PrintTransformer license, this whole menu will be available to you. We'll talk about the rules. We'll show that in just a second and how you get the extra PDF output that Fortran needs. But just to show what's going on in this form, the conditions. You can add conditions to every one of your forms to tweak the way they look. We've got a totals section turning on and off based on stuff being blank. Toggle this on, toggle that off, move things around, change the way the fonts look, the styling of the fonts, the color of fonts if you're using our color driver. So the PrintTransformer is awesome. I'll show you in a moment how you can create PDFs along with the extra printout, but there's a whole other side of things to be able to tweak the look and feel of the forms. So just wanted to mention that. So in this form, we'll do a print. I'm gonna jump over to my green screen side, and I'll essentially be running a MarkMagic job that the way VAI prints, when they tell MarkMagic to run a print, they call MarkMagic jobs, and they pass us all the base information and request of a print of a document to a laser printer. And I'll prove to you right now in my out queue, my laser printer out queue, there's nothing out there. What I'll do is I'll just simply run a MarkMagic job, data jobs, pack list. I'll run the pack list job. I'll show you inside of the job though, a rule set, and we'll get to that in just a moment. In this print command, this is something that goes on in the background when you run these prints, but inside of this print command is a spot where you can put a rule set. So I'll show you when this job runs, it's actually going to run to this rule set. I'll do a quick run. It's going to print. It's going to print to the laser printer like normal. So here's the regular output that would normally go to your printout, to your laser printer for your physical copy. And if we open up my integrated file system, I'll navigate out to the folders out on the IFS. We have a folder out here called Docs. Inside of Docs, pack lists now shows. And these folders, you know, they can exist or not exist, and I'll explain that in a moment. So here we have the year, month, day, and this PDF got created at that same exact time when we ran that print. So normal prints in VAI, you just get one printed page, or you get your document at the laser printer. We've created a rule set within MarkMagic, PrintTransformer rule sets. PDF copy. You saw that rule that was in that job. So when VAI calls MarkMagic to print, this rule set gets ran as an initial process. And inside of this rule set, we can define certain things. We can say, hey, run the print like normal. Just let that print go through. I showed you that in the out queue, how the laser output came, and create a PDF at the same time. So when you print normally, you'll also get these PDF copies out on the IFS. So it's and create a PDF and send it to a certain path. This field here, this option for choosing the path, it's actually data from the form itself. There's a secret text field that I added that handles the PDF path, and this is just something that you would add to your form. You'd have to map the month, the day, the year as individual elements, and you can build. This text field is basically the full path and the name of the PDF. So docs, pack list, year, which is a variable, another slash, then the month, another slash, and then the day, and so on. And you got the final customer number and invoice number .pdf. So this whole string is built up of the variables. So as your orders come in, as the years and months go by, this IFS directory out here will get filled up with more and more files, more and more months. As you see, this is just the day and month. These will automatically get filled out. Fortress product will be able to monitor this section of the integrated file system and handle things from there. So MarkMagic creates the PDFs out there, names them appropriately according to your rule set and the month, the path. These all get built out. So I hope that's a great explanation for you. I've got an example of the PDF already downloaded out here that was created. Hopefully you can see that here. Very similar to the print preview, and pretty much exactly to the print preview as you saw in JMagic. So yeah, I mean, if you want to take it from there, we've got an example of showing you how to use the rules engine in JMagic and MarkMagic to create that output for you, the PDF copy and rule is what we call it. Create the PDF. So yeah, thanks.